Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we want to talk about the price crash of SAFUU. Will it go to zero or what will happen? I mean, first of all, some people love it, some people hate it. But you always have to keep in mind, there's nothing that gives you a high reward without a high risk. I mean, if you know of anything that gives you a really high reward and you have to take a really low risk, then write it to me and I will have a look at it. But you know, if you want a high reward, usually you have to be willing to take a high risk also. So what happened, you know, at the best times, this protocol had a price of over $300 here, and now we have the price of about 12.41. And what happened, you know, first of all, I mean, there was a giveaway during May. You could participate if you were holding the tokens during May, then you were eligible to participate in the giveaway and the price was a Tesla. So what happened? A lot of people sold at the end of May and there's some price manipulation going on, and because they made an investigation, and you see this pumps, dumps, pumps, here a dump, a pump, and all those big movements were caused by the same wallet. So this wallet was pushing the price up and also dumping it down. And if you calculate this, actually this wallet didn't make money. So actually it was losing money. The question is, who hates this protocol so much that he would be willing to lose money, or she would be willing to lose money? We don't know. Right now there's another giveaway. You can win $27K. So 27 winners will be able to win $1K each. You can go to the Twitter and you can even watch a video here. But you also have to keep in mind, I mean, this is actually the only auto staking protocol where you can withdraw all your money. I mean, there are some other came out where you can withdraw just 1% each day. But this is actually the only one where you can withdraw as much as you like and you know who the CEO is. I mean, I don't know any other auto staking protocol where you can withdraw as much money as you want every day and you know who the CEO is. Actually, as much as I know, that's the only one. And yeah, as I've said before, there's no, this is a really, really high reward. I mean, imagine if the price stays somehow stable. Here's the calculator. If you would invest, I mean, no financial advice, always do your own research before you invest your money or whatever, But if you would invest now $1K in 1 month, so in 30 days, you would have $1,970 if the price would stay the same, okay? If the price would stay the same, because right now it's $12.35. But you have never, I mean, you never know. Will it go up again? Will it go down? Will it almost stay the same? But it seems like we found some kind of a little bit of a support on here, because in the $12.50 range, actually there's no big move going on up and down right now. And it still has a market cap actually of $29 million. So they always try to do something, some giveaway that people are willing to hold the tokens and don't sell them. And as I've said before, there's, of course, it's risky to invest in this. But imagine you just take the money and put it in your bank account, and how much money will you have at the end of the month or in 30 days? I guess it will be almost the same. Or to be honest, the inflation will eat up your buying power of whatever you have, okay? So no financial advice, but if you invest in something like this, you should also not invest more than you are in the worst case willing to lose, okay? So that's actually what's going on with this right now. But if you have some kind of long-term vision, and you could invest money that you're also willing to lose, but the interest rate is really high, So you can still, I mean, for example, imagine you buy it and you hold it for a couple of weeks, and then you made, I don't know, maybe it's just 30% plus, but it's crazy. Even 30% plus is crazy compared to a normal bank account, So this is what happened in the last couple of weeks to SAFUU. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and see you.